So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in Microsoft Teams. Now, you want to click on app settings. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on terminate. Now, you want to click on reset and then click on reset again. This will delete the Microsoft Teams app data. And now once that's been done, it's going to sign you out of Microsoft Teams. Then you just want to sign back in again. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down till we find Microsoft Teams. You want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall. And then you want to uninstall Microsoft Teams. And now after you uninstall Microsoft Teams, you want to head over to search again and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And now once you're on the Microsoft Store, you want to search for Microsoft Teams. Click on it. And now you just want to reinstall Microsoft Teams. And this should now fix your problem.